We thank you for December, because it will be the best month of this year. We thank you for 2026, because there will not be any year in our lives that would look like what you are about to do. Father, we want to say thank you. We want to give you all the thanks and all the glory for the things you have done, for the things you are doing, and for the things you will yet do. Now, for the next 1 minute, I'd like you to both ask and thank God for that which he must do in your life this moment. I'm about to go into the ministration. Lift your voice. If you don't have anything to ask, give him thanks. Give him thanks. But if you have something to ask, don't keep quiet. Open your mouth and pray. Open your mouth and pray. Go ahead and pray. Please go ahead and pray. If it's healing, here's your chance to cry unto the great God, the healer,